eno mo de chichi ye no.
Eno no eye name keke. Because said they would say ya launch no sa na obi ati say ya launch. Enti
24-hour economy ni ye ejuma. Say ye spiritual realm na ye ejuma chire omo. Minim pa se ye wo onum bia ombe ye den omo be kwa akoye spiritual application na ya fa mo spiritual 24-hour economy ejuma ombe ye ejuma jijisika no. Chire amanfo baby a enkokwo nkiti abobo ya walantin boot any 500 Ghana no ye be cheche. Na se wontimi nka se sika ni ho because what the 6 months AC 10 hospitals sika no wenya sika na ba enti yesra mo why monja is any mode order from above any nam nkoda so. That is not what you went to Ghanaians to vote for you to come and do. Mom, ebia obeka say wonyan lanche akokon nkiti any abobo ya ne ade 500 Ghana enti. But 24-hour economy no. Enuanom ne adofo. President John Dramani Mahama one lanche ade no. Ewa he. O grassroots to minya kukodro be kase 13,000 kilometers of road no enya nokre. But at least ye took kwan. NPP for ama ye din o mama ye locations baby a ewo ye beti makohwe President Mahama yesremo ma ye location for 24-hour economy ye mfa ho say ye spiritual realm kura ma ye location is it in Daniel's Lion's Den we will go so that empire na wasi yam bompaye gigigi na yamfa yi de na yamfa fastings kranka hono se 24-hour economy na akoye spiritual realm project ya ye bompaye ye fast na ye be bompaye na nyame be chire ye baby a spiritual no 24-hour economy no wo se ne be ya ye be kwa akoye den ebo ho adwuma. John, na menka de. Abrewo. Baby, I drink Ghana dear. Musi wache for beton wache 24-hour economy. And then I make koto wache a man hubi. Ma me no so wapon asa. Me say ya lunch 24-hour economy. Or see with what machine? Me using me physical energy the year you ma person make jina ha 24-hour economy and don't watch it. President John Mahama omo person meye you know. Ma chasa ma me no kra mama da ni jimi fo. Hey, the battle is the Lord, so very Lorden. It is Lorden, Papa. Mami kra, mami beye Jimmy for. O jemeni kiki kachira me say. Me minjina me nansonto watch 24 hours. Eh? With what machine? Am I a robot? Hey. I feel crampo de na esi madani Jimmy ni misi ye Mr. President. E di ni ugwazie vana wodi abani pesi. Misi fele squatchy. Osi wache for beto wache 24-hour econ. Na mwate ne eyi no so. Afi ye kokachire ye wache for ze ya lunch wa de ne ya lunch. Enye ti sa akukọ nkiti ni abobo ya yenye lunch ye na nka ye ba na mo se na ade ni nye edwuma na mo ba betiti we nu ya lunch ye wie ma menesi with what energy mo de mimi energy equal lunch 24-hour economy Mimbe jina me nan so. Na minton watch for 24 hours. No mwati mi electricity so ahi. Or say lighter, me nya home faswo. Lighter me kwa koto no mwa dum light. Eye no, dumso. Me enjoy light no. Mimbe bubu mi sisi ene me nine for 24-hour economy. For what percentage of what? Electricity. Cut off. Hefine ni page na what is mumu. All thanks to John Dramani mo meza ye ya modina ba. Obema ni pedi nkwasi asemo. Wuni mi nyansa kra no but munim mo ba ha na se obi kasa na mo se nipa no mo na ye kwase a eto da bia na ye nso ye hu se e bia mo na mo ye nyansa ni mo ma ye nkodi mo nyansa sem no nso na ye hu ni e besi ye koduru a hai ye koduru a you pass a walk to school. I dare she me. Walk to school nimbuka. O kwa ya kafa mahama oni ni police ya. Then if I walk to school. One more will say like we broke wedge.
I know what did you know.
I know a name keke. Because said they would say ya launch no sa na obi ati say ya launch. Nti the real performance in the any system no mo. Because who say during campaign but we ka say 24-hour economy is not something new to Ghanaians. There are places where the shift is already running in Ghana. So apart from those places which was running before 2024 election, there's no place that they are running 24-hour economy, which will be because of the launching of this their name of their policy, their so-called 24-hour economy. Just like the NPP, when Nanado promised Ghana to bring free senior high, when it was launched, it wasn't only the name, but the real action took place, and everybody see how it goes.
Bam.
So if you claim that you are launching your policy, you are launching something, let people see it going. But just to give us a name, a ghost policy, because that's how I would describe it.
I don't know if it is operating in spiritual realm, so that we know that we have reached a point that we have to do spiritual application, so that the prophetic thing they have set up today will audit the application and apply for us.
Yes, it's a ghost policy, because we just hear the name and we are not seeing it. Even some people can see ghost, but this 24-hour economy there, we can see, nobody has seen it before.
Let me see that ghost. Yeah, some of the crampo who say 24-hour economy,
24-hour economy. So the only thing,
and that's why we are having this discussion. Say, right now, no, we've seen that there's a lot of energies trying to, attack any youth that is calling out, political excesses and all of that. And we are hearing orders from above. But I was just asking, you as a citizen of Ghana, where would you have expect to say Mahama orders from above ebeye ejuma? Where would you have desire say Mahama orders from above titi ye fancy comedy and nama orders from above ye the knock of Flagstaff House yes ye na be koteshi ye the ne ko ye kone. Where would you have said say Anka? We should be hearing these orders from above. Anka ye wo obia like you would desire to see say nipa no handcuffs boneso. When should have been your energy? Because why you promise or see your water bodies almost say no emo omuko demonstration cry say nyame nku nipa bi mu ananka omu gidi etum say omu na mo say ye insuo no nyame aye ya dom More be the president, ya mo with supreme powership. Up till now, me nyanti orders from above. The last time I heard orders from above was for Joseph Yemin. But Joseph Yemin babontin be threaten. NDC for any Mahama say. What the one sakamia me ya wo ejuma. Me do wo security nyina be bo bantin. Ever since I Joseph Yemin kasa asem no, ya anti hu bio. Na ene ya kofa comedy akwada ono no so on life ano mo ye politics enne me ye ya na obi eno so e di asem a eye no kren so ebe kan ye ene ye di state security orders from above na ene nam na ye so no so handcuffs na Joseph Yemin na ye jai no mi ka se enye sa niama no na John Dramani si oba obebo ehu adwuma adentina ene
Oba beye.
Oba na obi threaten